Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. I know it's been a while since I picked up a vlog camera and vlogged, but y'all, life has just been lifing. I'm currently kind of sick right now. I've been sick for a while. Unfortunately, I got a bad stomach bug and I'm just waiting for it to pass. So there's that. I just got back from Target. I had to pick up some essentials. Got a new toothbrush because I don't want to be constantly like reinfecting myself with the same bacteria, so I went out and got a new one. It was a little pricey, but I needed it. Got some other stuff as well. And y'all, can we talk about the price on these grocery items? Why is a pack of eggs like $11? I saw a 12 pack going for $8. Back then, I could literally get an 18 pack for that much. Everything is literally rising right now, so I'm trying to be so much more wise with my funds. Like, unfortunately, there were some things that I wanted that I just had to say, you know what, not right now, because everything's just so expensive. So also, it's kind of funny this morning because I had to walk the dog and we ran out of poop bags. So yesterday, mind you, I noticed this yesterday. I went on Amazon, I did same day delivery, got 300 count. I'm here waiting for my bags to come. They didn't come. This morning, I checked the order status and it's talking about it's gonna arrive today at 10 p.m. I'm like, well, honey, you better waive my priority fee because if I order same day delivery, I expect same day delivery. I was here thinking, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? You know those mini white trash bags that you use for like the Guess garbage can? I was thinking that I was gonna have to use that because I'm like, there's no way, like there's nothing else I can do. I'm not gonna carry paper towel with me or these big old regular trash bags. So I'm here freaking out, walking with these two mini garbage bags. But luckily, I have a dog crate for him, and a few months ago I ordered like a box of toys for him, and garbage poop bags for dogs came in it. So I found an extra one and I was so happy. I'm like, oh praises, like God, it was so good. And I was able to use that. Also, I'm super happy that the weather is starting to get a little bit warmer now. Like it's starting to feel like spring. I checked the weather app this morning, it said 50 degrees. I was like, okay, let me put back my winter jacket and grab my spring jacket. Yes, ma'am. I'm about to make some tea right now because I need something to just settle my stomach. My throat still feels a little bit sore, so I gotta do that. This is probably gonna be like my brunch because I don't even feel like eating. I just need something warm. I literally had to pick out the big pot because my other pot is dirty right now and I was too sick to wash it. So look at this big old pot that has a little bit of water that I'm boiling, y'all. This is definitely gonna be my breakfast this morning. Maybe lunch, maybe not. So it's later in the day. It's almost 3 o'clock right now. And when I tell you guys I had a rough morning, I don't know why. I think it's because I took some medication without some food, but I just got really sick this morning. I got really cold. I had to change my shirt and put on a long sleeve one because I was just freezing. I think it's all part of the sickness. I don't know. I just need to get this out. I need to get this over and done with. But it's a little later in the day. I'm making dinner right now. Let me show you guys. I am making some lamb for my husband. I seared it and now it's gonna be boiling off in the pot for maybe about an hour and a half maybe. And I'm gonna make some rice as well. An electric stove, and initially when I got it, I wasn't really feeling it, but now that I have it, I'm kind of feeling it now. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it heats up my food and boils my water a lot faster than my gas stove. I don't know why, but I feel like it does. I plan on making something healthy for lunch, but when I tell you I was too weak to even get up to make it, I just needed something salty, extra salty to get this nauseous feeling out my mouth. So I had some food and now I'm full and I'm feeling a lot better than I did this morning, thank God. I hope it stays this way. Listen, I hate being sick, y'all. But now I'm gonna make some rice. I wanted to make some rice and peas to go with the lamb chops, but I don't have any peas, so I'm probably gonna make white rice. Originally, I wanted to make some mashed potatoes, but this week I made some rotisserie chicken with some mashed potatoes and some broccoli. So we're gonna give the potatoes some rest, and I'll just make them some white rice to go with it. And I wanted a vegetable too. I'm trying to like incorporate all the food groups on the place when we eat, but I forgot to buy some veggies. I ran out of broccoli, so it's okay. Hopefully when I feel a lot better this week or in the weeks to come, I plan on putting out some Passover content. I have some ideas in mind that I'm so excited to share with you guys. I have some recipe ideas that I want to try, and if it comes out good, I'm gonna film the whole thing, and if it comes out good, I'm gonna put it out because I think it's gonna be a great substitute during Passover since we can't have any leaven. So definitely look out for the upcoming content ideas. My husband is so sweet because he's been checking on me periodically too when he has time, make sure I'm doing okay, and I'm doing okay. I kind of want to go on a walk later today if I'm feeling up to it, maybe. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. I'm not gonna vlog that though. I think I just want to go by myself and clear my head and explore the area, you know. But we'll see, only if I'm feeling better. Nothing too crazy. My husband was like, you know, don't force it, don't do too much. If you're not feeling that well, just take it easy. And I'm like, yeah, I know. At the same time, I do like to push myself, but I'm not gonna do too much today. I'm not gonna do it. Anyways, I'm gonna let this lamb finish cooking. I'm gonna get started on the rice, and then I'm gonna show you guys how the meal comes out too. It's gonna be looking nice, trust me. Also, I've really been trying to be more consistent on my weight loss journey. I'm like 10 or 11 pounds away from my goal, and I'm proud of myself for that. It'd be so hard. I feel like at nighttime is when the cravings start to come, and I've been doing the 1 meal a day, and I did put myself on like a fast where I'll eat from 12 to 8. That's my eating window, and then it's like a 16-hour fasting window. But I don't know, I feel like during those 8 hours I get so hungry sometimes. I just want to snack and binge, and some days are better than others, but I have to keep reminding myself, like, you know, you came this far, like, stop giving in. So it's a little hard sometimes, but you know, I'm getting through. I do have a weight goal too that I want to meet, but my husband doesn't want me to lose too much weight. He's like, you don't gotta do too much. Like, you're almost there. Like, you're fine. He thinks I'm fine as is now, but I'm like, listen, I need to lose some more. I need to tone up. I know what I need to do. And I'm glad that he's been really supportive along the way as well. We're outside right now on our little porch. Decided to get some fresh air. Come here, my love. Say hi to the camera. It feels so good out here. It looks like it's raining, but it's not. Is it snowing? I don't know. But it's really nice. It's like 50 degrees though. It wasn't snow. It was just like a piece of pollen. Oh my gosh, it's pollen. That means it's almost spring. That means allergies. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to go buy some allergy medicine. You wanna go back outside? Go ahead. You wanna go back out? You don't know what you want to do. Okay guys, so it's much later in the day. My husband's about to come home any minute now, and he told me to make sure his food is shared out because he is hungry, and I want to show you guys how the food came out. This is the lamb chops. I made him with some white rice. He extra boiled eggs, so I know it looks kind of crazy, but he loves boiled eggs with his food. That's his preference, so that's what I do. And I top it off with a little parsley for decor. And yeah, that's his meal, y'all. Again, I feel like if I had some greens or something on the side to go with it, would just make it pop, but hey, next time. That is basically it for today's video. I did have some other things in mind, but because I got sick, like, it literally threw my whole day off, so I'm sorry it's gonna be a pretty short vlog. But again, stay tuned because we have some great Passover content coming soon. I'll see you guys in my next one. Shalom.